Hello everyone, my name is Robin. I have been playing economical game from a long time. With time I have gained enough experience to teach you guys how to make money by playing games on the site Focus Bet. So this is the site Focus Bet. You already know. I have already played many games in this site. So these are the various games you can play. You know my favorite games are Mines and Crash, and these are the various slot games. This is the section where you can deposit your money, withdraw your money, and check the payment of the history. So guys, for today we are going to play with our favorite game Crash. Let's see how much profit we are going to make. So for this round I am putting like 200 at auto stop of 2. Let's see whether we are going to lose or this round of win. Okay, go. Don't crash before 2. Great, we made a profit of 200. Awesome. So for this round I am putting like let's put 1400 at auto stop of 1.5. Okay guys, if you are not sure, just put a small amount with a small auto stop. Cover at least 1.5. Fine. Next round we are going to cover, don't worry. Again I am putting like 1400 at auto stop of 1.5. Let's see. Cover at least 1.5. Don't fall before 1.5. Fine. 2100. 2.48. Guys, you already know this is the section where you can see all the players who are playing. 1400 I am putting again at auto stop of, let's put 1.5. Fine. At least 1.5. Fine. Back again in the game. And this is the section where you can see all the players who are playing different type of game. It is really easy game, and you can make money in this game in very small time. Let's see how high the rocket will go in this round. 8x, 10x, man. Fine. We will play next round. Let's see how high the rocket will go and when it is going to burst. 80x, 90x, man. Seriously. If you have little bit of courage and you are putting your money at a bigger auto stop, you can win a great amount of money. 500x, first time, man. 700. Fine. I'm putting like this at auto stop of, let's try 8. We have to wait for the next round. We missed this round, but in this round also the rocket will go high. Let's see. These are the players who made profit, and we missed this round. Fine. $20x, 30x, man. We missed a great opportunity. But never mind. What matters is how much profit we are making, and we are going to make profit, don't worry guys. About to cover 400. Let's see whether it's going to cover 1000x. Covered. $2000x, guys. This rocket is not going to stop today. No. It is not going to stop today. Man. $40x 40 57,000 75,260x guys. Fine. Next round we're not going to win. Well, let's see. Because in the previous two rounds we miss a great opportunity. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. Fine guys, fine, don't worry. I'm putting like 100 now at auto stop of 5. Let's see. Because in this round the rocket will fall before 1.2 or in between 1.5. Let's see. Great. 2 is achieved. Fine guys, fine. I'm putting like 500 now at auto stop of 2. Let's see. Two. Don't fall before 2. Don't fall before 2. Great guys. Let's see when this is going to crash. A little bit of courage and you would be millionaire. I'm putting like 400 now at auto stop of 2. Let's see. Cover at least 2. Great guys, great. We are back again in the game. We are playing small, but at least we are earning. That's good thing. I'm putting like 800 now at auto stop of 1.5. Hope for the best. Let's see. No, don't crash before 1.5. Don't crash before 1.5. Great. Now I'm putting like 200 at auto stop of 2. Okay guys, you're playing small. Hope for the best. Fine. Now I'm putting like, let's put 1500 at auto stop of 1.7. Let's see whether we are going to make money or not. Cover at least 1.7. Great. Look guys, we made a profit. For you guys, last round ending with 1.7. For the best. Let's see. Guys, all of you can make money in this game if you're a little bit sincere and you are playing wisely. Just put your amount at the auto stop in which you are sure. So guys, within few minutes, this is the profit we made. Let's see when this rocket is going to crash. Going great. For next round I'm putting like 400 at auto stop of, let's put 300 guys. Okay, let's see. Don't crash before 3, at least 3. About to cover. Great guys, great. Look at the profit guys. So So I hope you all got the idea how to play this game and how to make money in this game Crash and the site Focus Bet. If you have any problem withdrawing money, you can contact the Telegram page also. So that's all for today. Bye bye. I hope to see you guys next time.